Hey guys, how's it going? I just took apart this machine. This is a water machine. This is the tank for the water. It was leaking and it was driving me nuts. And as you can see, it's still leaking down there. See it dripping? Well, I was just determined to get this thing fixed. So, 1 year, I had it here at the house, and I had the water tank in there, and the power went out, and it was wintertime. It was about 2 years ago. And ever since then, if I fill this up, it just pours out water. So today is the day I'm like, this is just retarded. I gotta get this fixed. So, and I gotta take it apart. So I took all the back apart, right here. So I took it all apart. I took this apart. I took that apart. I even took this this thing here. See that little plug right there? Well, that thing had popped out and shot right at me. And well, it looks like I peed my pants now, but I got it all cleaned up. I still got to mop the floor and stuff like that. And I'm kind of cleaning up right now. I got my little office area there all together for my YouTube stuff, and I just got some new stickers and some new cards and stuff for YouTube. So some of you will be receiving some of those. They're going out in the mail tomorrow. There's 25 of them. Okay, and so anyways, getting back to this here. So I gotta clean all that. I took all that apart, guys, and there's 2 screws here, right here. And I'm like, I wonder if if I pull that off, if the top will come off. And I'm like, well, no, because there's screws right back there. And that doesn't make sense. So I took them off after doing all this, and sure as shit, the freaking thing comes off. I'm like, ah. So lesson learned. But you see right there, I can get it better. That is where it's leaking. My God, I did all that work, guys, but I learned. And the problem's right there. So I'm going to fix that. That's where it froze. And because it froze, it expanded and it popped that piece off. So I'll be right back. I'm going to fix that piece and we'll get it all buttoned up and then we'll test her out again. All right? So I'll be right back. All right, guys. So I donated some of my blood. Yep. You can see it all over there. Pretty sharp in there. And I got that all buttoned up. Sorry for the blur there. So that's all good. So let's just close the door. See the water shooting through there. And you can see there's a little bubble right there. Water's holding. Now it's at the end of the, I just put a little water bottle in there, so that's all she's got. And it'll turn off by itself as soon as it figures it out. No more water. There we go. Alright, so now this is the one that was leaking. And that's the hot water one, guys. And I don't really like the way it's sitting on there. It's because there's, I could take this one off. Maybe I'll do that and I'll move that forward a bit just to get that up a bit forward there. But let's give her a test. Up here. Probably don't. I think it's this one here. This one's a hot water. So that's coming. Let's see if I can see that there. See it pushing through? So there's no more leaks there. That's good. Nice and dry. This is the cold water. And this is, I guess it's got to be full for that one to work. I'm not too sure. For this one here. So, but works. Works. So we're good to go. So I think I'll change that out, guys, and then put it all back together. So I learned a few things today on how to take it apart, so you don't have to take everything apart. But I took it apart on the back too, because I wanted to follow that drip. And once I found it, which is right on top, next time I'll know, but it doesn't necessarily mean that next time that drip will be right there. But I'll definitely go to that spot first, because it's the easiest to take off. So, okay guys, so the Glacier Bay machine is all fixed. I'll just show you. Now I don't have a water jug, so you guys are gonna laugh at me. It's okay, you can laugh at me all you want, but that's what I have for my little water bottle. And believe it or not, it took quite a few of them to fill up. Now it doesn't want to close. Oh, it's probably because this thing fell that way. Nope. Yeah. What's going on here? There we go. Just the button was stuck. Okay, so let's take a look. So we're gonna hit this button here. That's good, it works. This button, I don't know what that button does. It doesn't do anything. And then this one, oh no, that's not. Oh yeah, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna, oh no. Okay, that one gets stuck. Okay, here we go. It's been a while since I've used this, guys. You can laugh all you want. Okay, so now I gotta hit this button right here. And that, okay, maybe I hit that. No, I hit this button. Oh no, I hit this button here. So it's been a while. It's been a while. Now that one flashes. So now it's gonna do some hot water. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna drink it. And then I'm gonna make myself some tea. I'm gonna make decaffeinated tea because it's about supper time and I want to be able to sleep tonight. So I'm gonna throw that in there, and this should only take a minute or so. And on the stove here, I have pork roast cooking. Potatoes that have to be mashed with some garlic and some cream corn, and it's gonna be good. So I'm just gonna let that thing do it. I'll take you for a walk around here. This is my kitchen sort of dining room area, and this is my little office area here where I do all my editing for YouTube. So, and then of course the rooms are over there, and the bathroom and stuff like that, and there's downstairs too. So, but right now we're talking about this machine. So I picked up this machine about 4 years ago at Home Depot, and I had it at my business and it worked really good. And then, as I said in an earlier video, I left it here. Well, I brought it here, and it had the water jug still in it. It was still plugged in, of course, and it froze, and then that piece in there gave way. So that's what happened to that. And hoping this heats up a little bit faster. There is a knob in the back of this. So it's like, well, not a knob, but it's a place that you can move the temp higher. So if you want it higher, you can definitely do that. You got your heating filaments here, so these get hot. And then you have your other things up here. So you've got your main control board there. And then there's all this stuff here just to give you some more. There's the diagram, schematics and stuff like that, and then just a little bit about Glacier Bay and stuff like that. So, but it's a great machine. I love it, and I love the fact that you can't see the water jug and it's not on top, and it looks really nice and modern. So I think this is gonna be should be heated up pretty soon. I'll cut down some of this video too. Alright guys, so it's red now, solid red, so that means that the water is temped, so it's, I'm not too sure exactly what it's temped to, but it definitely is. So I'm going to push the safety button in right here, and that allows me to pour water. And it's just for children and stuff like that, but I'm pretty sure children can figure that out pretty quick. So, I'm going to pour it. You can see the hot water coming out. And now it's sucking up more water. Yep. Won't be able to do that because it's just a tiny little cup in there. So. Okay. There we go. Alright, so that little cup in the bottom there, or that little, sorry, the little bottle in the bottom there, that's empty. So I'll have to go tomorrow and head into town there and grab some water jugs. Actually, I can just go to my general store here and I'll get it from them. So I'll just let that stop. I'm gonna have a little bit of this tea, guys. Hope you guys are all having a great night. I'm gonna get back to making my dinner and stuff like that. That's a different video altogether. So have a great night. Let me know what you think of this video here. You know, sometimes it's just the simplest things that happen when you're fixing stuff. So, you know, this is that all I had to do is really pull this top off, and of course I just assumed that I had to pull the whole machine off. So, and it was a good lesson for me, and hopefully it's a good lesson for you guys as well. Sometimes it's just really simple, and we tend to dive too much into it. So, anyways, let me know your thoughts and stuff like that on this video, and I hope you all are having an awesome day, and I hope you have a great week. We will see you later, and thanks for watching. Alright, so guys, the tools I used to fix the machine was a star screwdriver. I used a pair of wire cutters to cut the cable ties or zip ties, and I used a pair of needle nose pliers to get in there and pull, and that's it. That's all you need to do to fix this machine. So anyways guys, I hope you're having an awesome day, and I look forward to your comments. We'll see you later. Ciao.